Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change brightness on Windows 10 and Windows 11, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Okay, how to change brightness on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click and then click on settings. After that, click on system and then in the left sidebar click on display, and you see here brightness and color. Here it's 100 and here just you can decrease it or increase it. I already have 100. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change brightness on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.